So my following distance buttons work fine, up, down, but my cruise set sometimes works, sometimes won't, and sometimes it will increase or decrease my following setting. So I'll put the following setting in the middle at 2, and I'll hit cruise set, so I'm pressing down, and you see the following setting just increased by 1. Press down again, and this time it's set. Press down again, 58, 57, 56. It seems like the first time I press set, it usually never works. Sometimes I gotta mash it good 4, 5, 6 times before it works. It doesn't seem like clicking it for the 1 mile per hour change or the 5 mile per hour change really produces any different results. It's all kind of, no matter if I click it lightly or click it hard, it just either works or won't work, or it changes my following distance. So I'm looking to probably replace both of these, because if it was just an issue with the set resume switch, I could see it just not working, but I don't see how that would interact with my following wires. So I don't know if something's crossed or what's happening, but just thought I'd show everyone what's happening on mine.